welcome to Location Podcast. Today we're opening up a treasure. It's ultimate dissection. There's a 1 in 6 chance you could find. There's 6 gems, and I hope I have one because I have this, which I got from something Treasure X. There's not a video of this, so yeah. I hope we get one because there's six gems. There's 1 gem, but there's six of these that have a gem. I bet somebody bought 6 of them and opened it. And maybe they got 1. That might be that, but yeah. I'm gonna look for it. So wait. Actually, wait, where is it? I'm gonna look for it. We found it! Wait, why is he not looking? Why is he sleeping? And what's he doing? I don't know, but let's bring it back. Come on, Spider. Let's bring the other guys back. Let's see if he's working. It's very hard to actually put there's so they can stand. So yeah, let's actually try to open it. So I think first things first, I need to crack the brain. So, and the brain has the thing. You know what? You fall. Okay. I think the brain has the thing, so I'm going to use good luck to open the brain. Actually, no. I'm going to check in here if there's anything. Yes, there's something. Well, I'm going to hold this in my hand for good luck. We got it? I hope this is good luck, because I have to waste that to show. So, just to try to grab it easier. Okay, now let's get it. Let's get the brain. Ew, it's sticky. Ew. Did we find a gem? I don't think that's a gem. Oh, I don't think it is. But this is sticky. Ew. Looks like you can ride in it, but second thing we have to do is second thing we have to do is dissect this stomach. Okay, instructions is second. Actually, I think that's a toxic logo. I think we might have to cut it open and make sure nothing comes out except for the hunter. But let's open this first.
Did he eat the hunter?
Yeah.
And you're trying to save him?
Yeah.
You and all your Treasure X friends?
Yep. We're going to open this at the end of the video.
Okay.
Since it's too hard. No, time for the stomach. Oh no. Oh no. Since it's not going to really work, I'm going to do this.
Are you dissecting it?
Yep. It's called Ultimate Dissection. If you didn't see that, then rewind the video. Yeah. This is actually hard. closet. Why could I have done that before? Now. Ew! What is this? I think I gotta break the slide. Ooze. Is this? I'm not gonna say what that is, but I think I might know what this is. So I'm not gonna say it. And what? Ew. Never mind. I know what it is. Ew. I changed my mind. Please, no! I know what you're coming from. Okay, here this is, and it looks like, 1, 2, 3. Didn't get it. I stabbed it, I think. I got it through. Ah. Yuck! Ew, 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 ew. Okay. Yes, ooze! I really want to keep this ooze, but I know I can't. If the ooze is coming out from there, I have to do that. Ew. Is that a mammoth? Oh, okay, it's not. What is this? What is this? Wow, that's actually nice. I want to play with this. Ew. This is gross. I really wish I could like stop the video now. Oh, don't do anything else on this and then just play with the ooze. And it's not stickable. So yeah, you could actually buy this and it's not going to be stickable. But we didn't get the gem, I think. We got some cool stuff. First things first. The ooze is a little sticky, but it doesn't stick onto your hand. Yeah, sometimes. And the ink sac, which we got the same hunter in this. We got the same hunter. That's rare, I think. We're getting the same hunter. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm hearing stuff. Ew. Ow. Ah! Okay, I think we got it. We got guess it's time to tear it. Are these Orbeez? Oh my god. This is so weird. I think those are Orbeez. Ugh. The stuff. The blaster. And here's all the Orbeez. Ew. This is actually gonna be fun. Hold on. Oh man. Well, that's everything actually. Except one thing. There. But is that actually everything in this box? Yeah, that's everything. Except for we can ride the alien. And then we say we're gonna open this at the end of the video. Let's do it. I need. Okay, guys, I think the cameraman got it out for me. Thanks. And it's actually cold outside, so I have 2 jackets. And are you serious? My hands are shivering, and this is what you show me? Is this what you show me? Instructions? Hold on. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching. This is actually a cool. I would actually want more of these. But what is this? Nah, we don't need to get to that, but thanks guys for watching and bye! I'm not gonna do that until I come inside.